Hi all. So that's a quick demo of Kratix, the framework for building platforms based on Kubernetes. It's really cool. It's really easy to install, basically to manifest to apply, and you get it running. And then you can use some of the existing promises. A promise is the basic building block of Kratix, which will abstract away for you other operators, and you can provide your own CR that simplifies that abstracts away a lot of complexity. Okay, so that's what I did here. You can install it, by the way, even on Minikube. It's running on Minikube right now for me. And what I did, I created a promise to abstract away some of the stuff that the Ivan operator provides. Ivan is an operator. The Ivan operator helps you to create data infrastructure on the Ivan platform, and you get CRs for MySQL, for Postgres, for Kafka, for etc. You can see it's a pretty simple CR, but it could be nice for your development teams for your, to abstract that away, because maybe you want them always to use the same cloud or the same plan, or make sure they have a maintenance window. So you can add all this logic in your promise and provide a way more simpler, easier CR. That's what I did here. So I created here my promise, and basically what I provide here is my own CR. Also dependencies, some dependencies as you can see, but most important part here is I defined a database on this namespace, database.org.sabi, and basically they can provide a plan, a project, and a type. The type is MySQL or Postgres, okay? And then important thing here in the workflow, I got a pipeline, okay? That is something that I coded. Basically, it takes an input, the simple CR that I just showed you, and as output, it will create some other CRs. In my case, it will create Ivan CRs. Cool. Now, let's see it in action. Okay, if I come back here, oh yeah, and one thing, I've added some GitHubs on top of that. So I got a project here running with Argo CD. It's pointing to a repo here. I got a clean workspace. And if you take a look here, you can see I have got two databases, one MySQL, one Postgres. Okay, if we go here to my Ivan console, you can see my Postgres and my SQL here, both running. Cool. This is the GitHub repo, okay, with the two CRs. If we take a look at this one, MySQL, you can see it's really simple, okay. That's the only thing that the developer has to provide. And what we will do now is create a third one. So let me go here and let me basically do a copy demo4.yaml. Okay, and let me update that a bit. So imagine I need another Postgres. Okay, I call this demo. I want still to be Postgres. I could change the plan to another, to premium or to our free plan, because we have a free plan as well. And but that's enough, just another Postgres. I write that, I do a git add, I add it to my repo, I do a commit, added pg, okay, and I push that to my repo. Cool, now it's pushed. I could wait here 3 minutes, that's a reconciliation time, but let's force the synchronization. Let's synchronize, okay. And what we have here, okay, that's just pure Argo CD stuff. It has detected some drift with my repo here. It has seen that there's a third one here. It got applied, and now Kratix will use my promise that I've created here and deployed on my cluster. And in a few moments, I should have another database. So I just received an email. I guess that is my service that has been created. We can take a look here. Look at this. CBPG demo is getting created. Awesome. That's cool. And just to show you here, kubectl get promise, just to show you that I've installed this promise, the Ivan promise. And I can also retrieve my databases. So I should have 3 here. Okay, and same goes if I do an RM demo 2, for instance, and I do a git commit removed resource. Okay, and I do a git push origin main. Okay, and that's the magic of how do you say, of GitHub. If I do a sync here and I want things to be pruned, you should see, hey, you don't want the MySQL anymore. Let me delete that for you. Again, it will delete this promise instance that I created. And in a few moments, I should receive an email saying, hey, you have deleted an instance. And here I should see my, well, it's already gone. Look, my SQL is already gone. Okay. So that was just a quick demo of what you can do with Kratix. You can do way more. You could do some compound promises where you can take different operators and combine them. It's really powerful. Thank you very much. Bye bye.